Question 18. The diagram below shows two similar beakers X and Y. Beaker X contains 60 ml of water while beaker Y contains 30 ml of water. The water in both beakers has the same temperature, which measures at 50 degrees Celsius. Now this is similar to the previous question, so let us make a note here. The beaker with more volume has more heat, although it has the same temperature as the beaker with lesser volume. Okay, so now with that in mind, let's take a look at the question. Which of the following statements about both beakers of water is true? Option A. The water in beaker X has more heat than the water in beaker Y. Now, beaker X has 60 ml of 50 degrees C of water, while beaker Y only has 30 ml. So, A is correct. The water in beaker X has more heat than the water in beaker Y. Now B, the water in beaker Y has more heat than the water in beaker X. Now this is the opposite of A, which is not what we want. So let's eliminate B. C, both beakers of water have the same amount of heat and temperature. As we have already indicated here, beaker X actually contains more heat than beaker Y, so they cannot have the same amount of heat. So we eliminate C. Let's take a look at D. Both beakers of water have the same temperature but different amount of heat, which is true. They are both at 50 degrees Celsius, but beaker X, which has a higher volume, has more heat. So D is correct. So answer is A and D. So looking at the options, answer is 3, A and D.